If you ever wanted to see two Chrome tabs at the same time, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge two Chrome tabs into a split view so you can work faster, compare information side by side, and avoid constantly switching back and forth. This is a super simple trick, and once you know it, it can make multitasking a lot easier. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the two tabs you want to see. These can be any two pages in Chrome, whether you're comparing documents, browsing two websites, or just trying to keep two things visible at once. Once both tabs are open, go to the first tab and right-click on it. When the menu appears, look for the option that says Add Tab to New Split View. Click that option and Chrome will create a split view layout for you. Next, you'll be asked to select the second tab from the list. Just choose the tab you want to display alongside the first one, and Chrome will place them side by side. And that's it. You've now merged two Chrome tabs into one split view, making it much easier to work with both pages at the same time. This is especially useful if you're researching, taking notes, copying information, or comparing content across two different tabs. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.